Good morning, my dear little ones. Welcome back to our English classes. This is your Elsa teacher. Have you all completed all the homeworks of last week? Have you finished reading the story? Yes, all of you finished. Very good. Now let's move towards our lesson and what we will find what happens next in our Billu's story. Are you all ready? Yes. In the last classes, we have seen Billu's home and his other friends. He is living with a farmer and his family. In the beginning of the story itself, we understood that he was an old dog who had lost almost all his teeth because he is very old. And his owner, the farmer was thinking of throwing him out because of his oldness or his weakness. He could hear everything his owner saying about him. See his face? He is very sad by hearing all these things. Do you feel so? Yes, he'll be thinking so many things, isn't he? Yes. See, here I have given a number of thoughts. You have to do one thing. You have to select only the appropriate thoughts of Billu. I'll read these thoughts for you. You have to select the appropriate ones, okay? Not the old ones, only the appropriate ones, okay? I'll read it for you. First one, what will I do now? Second one, I don't care. Third one, oh God, who will help me? Fourth one, farmer will give me food. Fifth one, where will I go now? Sixth one, shall I say to my friends? Okay, my dear children, did you get it? Yes. So you have to list out the thoughts of Billu by hearing farmer's decision. Okay, do it in your notebook. Even though the farmer told that he will throw Billu out, his wife was of the opinion that we should not or they should not throw him away because he had been serving them from his childhood. Let's see what happens next. See, in the picture, we can see Billu is talking with somebody. Who's that? Yes, it seems like a fox. And see the atmosphere. What can you see in the surroundings? Yes, a number of trees can be seen. I think it is a jungle or forest. He had reached the forest and he is meeting with a fox. Who will be that? Yes, maybe his friend. The fox may be his friend, alle? So, let's read and find out what happens here. Here, Billu may be talking his sad situation to his friend, the fox. Let's see what happens here. Take page number 9. Keep your finger near the line while I read. Billu heard what the farmer said. He was frightened. In the evening, he went to the woods. He met his best friend, the fox. He told the fox what was going to happen. So what happened here? Billu heard everything what the farmer said. He was frightened. What do you mean by frightened? Yes, he was scared. In the evening, he went to the woods. Woods, what do you mean by that? Yes, forest. He met his best friend, fox. Who was Billu's best friend? Yes, it's a fox. He told the fox everything that the farmer told him. And we can see the fox is telling him something. What is that? Don't worry, I've got an idea. Yes, he is talking about some idea. We all know that a fox is a tricky animal, so he may have any idea to help a Billu. Let's find out what happens next. See, here a fox shares something with a Billu. Can you guess what will be he saying? Yes. He may be saying about anything which can help our Billu, right? Yes. So right here, what may be his dialogue? The fox dialogue. Okay. Let's read it. The fox shared the idea with Billu. Do you know what will be that idea? Any guesses? No. Okay, it's okay. Let's find out. Okay. We can take the next page number 11. We can see a picture where the baby of the farmer is laid under the shade of a tree, and farmer and his wife are walking in a field. Field means a land where we cultivate things like vegetables, grains, etc. And where's Billu? Yes, the Billu, the dog, is standing near the baby as a guard, right? Yes. Let's see what happens here. Keep your finger near the line while I read. Next day, early in the morning, the farmer went to the field with his wife. They took their baby with them. They laid the baby in the shade of a tree. While they worked, the old dog stood near the baby, watching it. And what happened in the next day? Next day, early in the morning, the farmer and his family went for work to the field. Field means an area of land where we cultivate things. They took their baby with them. They laid the baby under the shade of a tree. While they were working, the dog, a Billu, was standing near the baby, watching it. See, in the next page, we can see the baby was being attacked by the fox. And we can see a Billu is jumping onto the fox. The parents of that child is crying out loud. What happened here? Suddenly, the fox came to the field and is trying to attack the baby. Yes, it's happening. Okay, let's see what happens here. Suddenly, the fox came out of the bush. It ran towards the baby. It jumped at the baby. Yes, as we have seen in this picture, the fox jumped upon the baby. He was trying to attack it. He was hiding behind a bush to attack the baby. Okay, then the parents were crying out loud, "Oh my God, help, help, save my child." We can see at the same time a Billu is jumping towards the fox. Bow wow! Yes, he had got enough strength to attack a fox to save the baby from that wild animal. So, my dear children, let me ask you one thing. What will happen to the baby next? Yes, nothing will happen to the baby, right? Why? Because it was the plan of that tricky fox to save our Billu and keep him with the farmer's family. Yes, now we understood what was the idea of that tricky fox. Do you like that idea? Yes, very good. Now try to complete the conversation which happens at the forest between Billu and his friend. Now let's discuss some meanings and tenses from this part of our lesson. New words and their meanings. First one, woods, forest. Second one, field, area of land in which crops are grown. Third one, towards, in the direction of something. Tenses, hear, heard, frighten, frightened, meet, met, share, shared, lay, laid, jump, jumped, save, saved. Now we have one question answer. Where did Billu go in the evening? He went to the woods to meet his best friend Fox. My dear children, copy down these notes into your notebook. Write and study these notes in your rough book. Read the lesson 5 times. Study well. Write neatly. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you all.